Harish Nachnani, Head of Didactic at Festo India. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the management of St. Joseph Engineering College to set up a Center of Excellence in Industrial Automation. We from Festo are really pleased to support the initiative. We are sure this center will go a long way in development of the students at the St. Joseph College. Festo on one side is an leader into industrial automation, covering the topics of pneumatics, process automation, electric automation, and on the other side, Festo Didactic, which is a market leader offering learning and training solutions covering different topics, right from fundamentals of fluid power to electrical engineering, electronics engineering, going to topics of industrial automation, process automation, mechatronics, and to the Industry 4.0 topics. Festo on one side supporting the industry increases their productivity by bringing out new solutions and new products and new solutions, offering innovations and helping the industry to develop their new solutions. And we use the same experience to develop our products for training and learning solutions. We bring in the experience of the industry, the needs and requirements of the industry into the learning and training solutions. The Festo Didactic equipments are based on the real equipments which are used in the industry. The equipments which are used on the shop floor are the same which are used into our learning and training solutions. This helps students to prepare into an environment which they are going to face once they are completing their education and working in the industry. On top of it, the solutions from Festo Didactic comes with a holistic environment covering the equipment, with the right kind of blended software and also the teachwares. We say teachware, the workbooks, the exercises in the workbooks are based on the real industry applications which go a long way in bridging the gap between what a student is learning at his institute into a training environment and what are the demands at the shop floor in an industry. We are sure the Festo Center will prepare the St. Joseph students to face their challenges in the industry and create their careers out of it. The present and future skill set required by the students today are multifaceted. On the very fundamental side, we would expect the student to have a very good critical thinking, to look at the things in a right analytical way, and to show a lot of IT competency skills. And on top of that, once he is developing this skill set of it, he has to showcase how dependable he is, how his approach is dependable, and how he is looking at the environment in a holistic way. Coming to the fundamental technical skills, we would expect from the industry the students to have an interdisciplinary knowledge. This is very, very important. There would be specialists existing on the shop floor, but more and more of the manpower at shop floor would need to have cross-domain, interdisciplinary domain knowledge. What I say, to make it in a very simplistic form, a student would need to have a knowledge on the mechanical side, on the electrical side, on the electronic side, along with the IT competency skills. And this is what is going to help him to approach at a situation on the shop floor. Festo Didactic, which is training solutions working from the basic fundamentals to the automated systems, is what is covering this interdisciplinary approach. And this is what is making the students prepared to face the challenges at the industry. Once this fundamental training in terms of technical learning in other part is completed, then of course the new skill sets that is required for the domains now, going into an environment where a lot of digitization is going to happen on the shop floor, he would need a lot of digitization skills covering the fundamentals with IoT technology, or going into terms of 3D printing, or covering the topics of artificial intelligence, machine learning. This all, along with programming knowledge on different aspects, is going to prepare him to face the challenges in the industry.